so you're gonna need the packet that we gave you from Friday, and you're gonna cut out these 3 pieces that you see on the table. That's what we're gonna start with for today. The one with Newton is gonna go at the top of the notebook, which you can see here in front of you. All right, you can go ahead and glue that one down. If you wanna color it, it's up to you. It's your choice. The next one that you're gonna get is the one that looks like this. Now, I suggest filling it out first because once you put glue on it, it's going to make it really hard to write. So you're gonna write the definition, you're gonna draw a picture. The picture has to have at least 3 colors. Your example, and then that means something that you see in the real world for Newton's first law. And then a non-example is something that maybe isn't Newton's first law, or it is something that violates Newton's first law, but you're going to draw or write something like that right here. All right. Once you get that step done, then you can fold this little piece in half like this, hot dog style. Okay. You're going to put a little bit of glue on the back of this, glue it down into the notebook, and then you're going to take this little guy right here, glue him on top, and it's going to look something like how this one you can open and close.